Yeah, we need to buy tickets here for going cheap. Guys, 200. This is the 250. We are going to make tour for 1 hour and 30 minutes.
Doğa güzelliği eşliğinde 1 saat 45 dakika süren Boğaz turlarımız devam etmektedir. Turun esnasında bu temiz sıcak ve soğuk içecekler alınmaktadır. Boğaz turumuz 7 yaş altı çocuklarımız için ücretsiz. Eminönü Tur iskelesinden kalkan gemilerimizin rotası Avrupa yakası kıyılarını takip ederek Boğaz yakasından dönüş ve Anadolu yakası kıyılarını takip ederek tekrar Eminönü iskelesine geliştir. Üst turlarımız için rezerv.
So now guys, then let's go top.
It's control in the sea.
Yeah, I see.
I was saying to you, I was checking the ship like this. You understand now?
Yes. So this is how you sleep.
Yeah, exactly. Make you sleep nicely.
So guys, it's more ship actually.
Saat 8'de kadar.
Oh my god, I was dropping. Hey.
Go up.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, we can go everywhere.
Let's go up.
Yeah. Let me film here first of all. So guys, I'm inside the ship. This is the restaurant inside. It's around. As you can see around it, guys. This is the ship. Please don't miss this ship. 250 $5. You can come and enjoy. Look at around. People they are sitting inside. You see? As well like restaurant. Okay. Let's go.
Ferit mi?
Huh. This is more restaurant actually.
Ulan getiremedim biz. Bak Bosphorus yapıyoruz.
Kolay gelsin.
Ha?
Kolay
Her gün
gelsin.
Bosphorus yapıyoruz.
So they're selling, even you guys, they're selling, can you believe it? They're selling inside the beer.
You want
Wow.
beer?
Wow, look at what they're selling inside, guys. So when you come and ship, you can get fruit, you can get whiskey, you can get wine, you can get beer, everything.
Yemek mi yiyorsun? Tadına mı bakıyorsun?
Guys, this everything. This is more like a small restaurant, like a canteen. So let me show you around, guys. This was a canteen of inside small canteen. This is more cheap actually. So this is around also, guys. Ship around. Actually, this is not ship. This ship, but a restaurant, small restaurant. They are selling fish together with the bread. So all touristic, they come to eat here. They're happy. So yeah, this is the bridge. So guys, that one is a bridge. This is other ship. Also, they are waiting people. And I'm here. I'm with my people there. They are sitting. Guys, see around. Not too much right in the sea. As you can see, sea is fighting with the ship. So enjoy, guys. Enjoy the view. I don't know if you can see nicely because it's night time now. Ship like this. Hey, but the water here is so crazy. Oh my god. Restaurants. bathing. Small ship, boat. Small one. You can come here with 250 Turkish lira. You can come, make a tour like this. This is ship also. Oh my God, look at this ship. Eee, look at this one, guys. Too many inside the home, you can never even count it. Look at her, so big.
This is, in the Turkish name is the Rumeli Hisarı. This is some kind of tower for defending the Istanbul Strait. They was using it, this one is like 400 years against the Roman Empire. But then after Roman Empire collapsed, they still keeping in a nice condition for the historical. You can visit that. This is the 15 Temmuz Köprüsü, in Turkish name Bridge of 15 May. Some kind of war is happened, and then after they changed this bridge name the 15 Temmuz. So now we are going to other side of Istanbul. This is the Asian side. This is this side is the Europa. This is Asia. As you see, it's very close. Izmir is, you know, this is the only city, is the two continents together in the only city here in Istanbul. That's why Istanbul is the unique about this one. And as you see, it's very close. It's connecting with this bridge. And when you see this side is Asian side, it's not too much touristic. All people around, and they are doing this local life. When you go this side, you will feel the local life. Other side, European side, more touristic, and you can enjoy the nightclub or the other stuff. So as you see, still beautiful. There is many historical buildings around that, and also full moon helping us to seeing more. I hope you enjoy, guys. So there is some palace also this side. I'm not sure what's the name of it. Maybe someone say, someone know. But as you see, it's bitterness is here. Istanbul, always bitter. That's why people enjoy to come here to see. And touristic also activity is the for very best here and very cheap actually. You know, this bottle only $5. $5 is you cannot buy hamburger even. And you can come here to enjoy 2 hours, nice beautiful trip. So guys, as you see, this is the ASEAN side. Now we are returning back to Eminönü. Nighttime you cannot see, that's why you need to make the two different tours. One of them noontime is the hotness, is warm you, and you will enjoy to taking the more video. Nighttime you will take this kind of view with sun, with moon, with everything, and your people will enjoy. Also many audience going to see and enjoy about it. Be careful, be careful. Be careful, be careful. Go inside. Flora, don't go there. Go inside directly. Door, huh? Now we show the around. Now we are warming. Yeah. Yani eşi olur, o da kız kardeşi. Öyle gezdiriyoruz mi? İşte İstanbul'u gösteriyoruz. Nice to meet you. So, do you need anything else? So, what I'm going to show, nothing here. So, let me close. So, thank you for watching us. Yes, guys, we start the Bosphorus Strait. As you see here, it's very beautiful bridge. So we are going to toward of the historical place, or boat going to turn from that. As you see, another bridge that side. This is the Bosphorus tour, guys. It's a very beautiful tour, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. This is in the behind is the Galata Tower, as you see. So this is me. I'm enjoying. Okay, let me show this side also.
Which one? Oh, the bridge.
Yeah, you was showing us.
Because my uncle was telling me go to the bridge.
Yeah, this one.
Your uncle smart. So now we are turning. Wow.
I need to throw fish in the other fish.
She's joking. You need to say I'm joking. Kubara, you need to be smart about it.
I'm not joking. Can't do it.
So don't listen to her. She's joking because she loves Turkey too much. Say, I love Turkey. Say,
I love Türkiye.
baby, Juju, baby, barely get the visa for 3 years. We cannot say the bad thing. We love the Turkey too much.
They can kick me out. If I say I hate them.
Because they are Turkish.
Yeah.
Like the nighttime view with the lights.
Yeah. So you eat the fish and take away fish. Is it was good or you people should buy or not?
That fish was good, very
Yeah.
fresh. I recommend it.
Yeah. Take away
10 out of
fish.
10.
10 out of 10 is too much, but
Yeah,
I can give 7.
Where you get this fish?
Now I'm talking about the fish itself.
Yeah, it's fresh, really fresh. Because they directly barbecue and give it to you directly.
Come from sea directly.
Yeah. Anyway, so guys, you need to buy the fish and chips. Yes, here. Yeah, bread, salad, everything
There's a
together.
beer, there's a wine, there's a whiskey here.
I think they are not selling that. Someone, bilmiyorum, I don't know. I'm not sure about it.
The way they're selling, I was there. I was
So,
Oh, they're selling it.
ah,
Hot tea would be nice. Something hot for day would be nice.
This is Fatih Sultan Mehmet Bridge. The guy which is the conquered Istanbul is the Fatih Sultan Mehmet, and government make this bridge and give to his name for the giving to his glory.
Wow.
So this is very good bridge.
Yes.
Here is Ortaköy. This is
Ortaköy.
famous bridge, Ortaköy. Ortaköy Mosque, and also Kumpir is there. It's too much street food. It's
So
too much
those are
famous.
restaurants around here.
Yeah. Actually, when you come to Ortaköy, you need to eat kumpir. This is the famous thing is there.
Like a fish.
Yeah, people come there, eating the food there, and taking the video is on that side also.
So
It's very good and beautiful.
guys, what do you think about this beauty? This bridge, the night. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, let me know in the comments, please. And don't forget to like and share, subscribe, please. Okay, bye bye, guys. Oh, let me show you my statue. This bridge is so beautiful. When you come to Istanbul, make sure you come to this. Wow, look at this one. When you come to Istanbul, this is on many ideas. Please, when you come to Istanbul, don't forget to come to visit this bridge, and they also use this ship. It's really nice, it's really joy. For only 250 Turkish lira, and it's $5. And then you can enjoy your life. 1 hour, 30 minutes. Some of them are 2 hours. So the video. Let me know in the comments what you think about this night travel, this night tour in the sea. So we pass the game again, finish it. like there's another bridge other side also. Istanbul too many bridges actually. So we get a chai also inside the ship. This is the chai get inside the ship. So we need to enjoy it.
شوف إسلام نعيمة.
Guys, enjoy the chai.
You didn't put your sugar, right?
Yes, I'm serious.
You finished the chai, but you didn't put the sugar.
So this is what you get when you come to this bridge. You get chai. So you get this meat, you get everything. Also you get someone who can make chai for free. You see?
Bon appetit.
Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about this.
Enjoy, Flora.
Chai
Enjoy.
and this is.
Sorry, you come too late. It's cold time.
Make sure please guys subscribe, like,
Yeah, no, extremely much. Still cold. Yeah.
and tell me what you need to know in the next video.
Yeah, you need to come. You need to come with
Thank you
someone
for
to carry you tea, Turkish tea. Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.